2301 Cold Hill Road for reported structure fire. Again, Sheffield Wheelock Fire Department, Linden Rescue, 2301 Cold Hill Road in Wheelock, reported structure fire. 245. 91. 91 you're responding. 246. Sheffield Wheelock Fire Department, second tone. From the 2301 Cold Hill Road in Wheelock for reported structure fire. Again, Sheffield Wheelock Fire Department, second tone. 2301 Cold Hill Road in Wheelock for reported structure fire. Acknowledging 5 on, I'm responding. Time of your second tone is 250. P14, you're responding. 250. Sheffield Wheelock Fire Department, third tone. Responded 2301 Cold Hill Road in Wheelock for reported structure fire. Again, Sheffield Wheelock Fire Department, third tone. 2301 Cold Hill Road in Wheelock for reported structure fire. Acknowledging 6 on, I'm responding. 254. C3. C3, you're responding. 255. Engine 23. Engine 23, you're responding with 5. 2255. Engine 23. Sheffield Wheelock Engine 23 advising you're on scene. Single trailer, fully involved. Requesting working fire. 258. Any special requests? Received, sir. Danville Fire Department. Danville Fire Department, South Fire Department. Danville Fire Department, South Fire Department. Spawn in Wheelock, 2301 Cold Hill Road for a working structure fire. Again, Danville Fire Department, South Fire Department. Spawn in Wheelock, 2301 Cold Hill Road for a working structure fire. Time of your towns, 3 hours. Linden 91, you're on scene, 3 hours. Sheffield Wheelock Engine 24, responding with 2302. Sheffield Wheelock Tanker, you're responding to above. Danville Fire Department, Southern Fire Department, second tone. Responded 2301 Cold Hill Road in Wheelock for working structure fire. Again, Danville Fire Department, Southern Fire Department, second tone. 2301 Cold Hill Road in Wheelock for working structure fire. Acknowledging 9 on, I'm responding for Danville and 1 for Sutton. 306. Sheffield Wheelock Command. Command, I need to have stress some water on the fire. Requesting Danville, the tanker. Engine 32. Engine 32, you're responding with 6. Tanker will be responding momentarily at 307. Cold Hill Command. Received, sir. Engine 32, you have it. 308. Danville Fire Department. Danville Fire Department. Responding initially to Wheelock. 2301 Cold Hill Road for a working structure fire. Tanker requested. Again, Danville Fire Department. 2301 Cold Hill Road in Wheelock for a working structure fire. Tanker requested. 309. Southern Fire Department. 2301 Cold Hill Road in Wheelock for a working structure fire. Again, Southern Fire Department, 2301 Cold Hill Road in Wheelock for a working structure fire. 309. Sheffield Wheelock Engine 24, you're on scene. 311. Danville Station. They're looking for tankers. Danville Fire Department, Municipality to Wheelock, 2301 Cold Hill Road, working structure fire, tanker requested. Danville Fire Department, 2301 Cold Hill Road, Wheelock, working structure fire, tanker requested. Sun Tanker 43, respond with 1317. Engine 32, you're on scene 318. Central Wheelock, Tanker 22, you're on scene 318. Final alarm, Cold Hill Road Command, your first 20-minute mark. Cold Hill Road Command, first 20-minute mark. Danville Fire Department, 2301 Cold Hill Road in Wheelock for a working structure fire, tanker requested. Danville Fire Department, responding Wheelock, 2301 Cold Hill Road, tanker requested for a working structure fire, 320. Danville W1. Danville W1, you respond with 321.
Danville W2 to fire alarm.
Danville W2.
Danville W2 is on with 2. We're going in from North Danville. I need directions, I guess. I thought that was in Lindenville.
Danville W2, you're responding at 322. Cold Hill can be accessed from Lindenville. I'm just going to check my map. I'll get you some better directions momentarily, sir.
Thank you.
Tanker 38. Tanker 38, you're on scene at 323. Danville W1, you're on scene at 333. Front engine 42. Engine 42, you're on scene 337. Tanker 43, you're on scene 338. Danville W2. Danville W2, you're on scene at 339. Final line to Cold Hill Road Command, power check. 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 Cold Hill Command. It looks like there is a trooper in route. Let's see if I can get a better ETA. Cold Hill Command. Cold Hill Command advising main body of the fire is knocked down. Extensive overhaul. All hands are working. Your trooper left TCJ Barracks about 7 minutes ago. Couldn't give me a better ETA than that. 10-4, and they were updated of the escalated situation. Final alarm, Cold Hill Command. Your 1 hour mark. Cold Hill Command, 1 hour mark. Cold Hill Command. Cold Hill Command advising VSP's on scene. Under control of that subject. All hands still working. 406. Cold Hill Command project. Cold Hill Command project. Command advising all units at par. 419. Final alarm, Cold Hill Command project. Cold Hill Command project. Cold Hill Command. Cold Hill Command advising you're under control on scene. Clear up a few hotspots. You're going to be releasing Danville tankers and Glover at 4:53. This service is your 2 hour project.